Okay, yesterday we were working with page 20, where we saw there's 3 apartments in the picture. Okay, there are 3 apartments. 3 apartments. And there's people doing things. Yesterday we saw the different parts of the house, different parts, rooms in a house. We saw furniture. We saw appliances. And others we didn't mention much, but we saw vocabulary yesterday. Then we looked at the pictures and we were looking what everyone was doing. We looked for Ethan is making his bed, and we identified who was Ethan. Ethan is identified as D. Then we looked for Alisa. Linda. Linda is loading the dishwasher. You have to look for the dishwasher. And who is Linda? This is Linda. So you put the name, Linda, dishwasher. That was for each one. Yesterday we did that activity, okay? Now today, what we're going to do is to say, I'm going to tell you number 3 because I don't have the audio. So I'm going to tell you what is doing the next person. We do not see it in the picture. No está aquí en el libro, en la imagen. Es una hora después. Okay, lo que están haciendo. We have that the first one, we have the actions here. The actions, some of the actions. Algunas de las acciones están aquí. You have clear the table, do the ironing, sort the recycling, take out the trash, vacuum, wash the dishes, do the laundry, mop the floor, set the table, make the bed. Now, 1 hour later, there are some that we're going to see. Right now, we are going to use this one, clear the table, do the ironing, sort the recycling, take out the trash, vacuum. This is exercise 3, okay? We're working with, this is exercise 3. Exercise 3. We're going to work with these words, with these expressions. Clear the table, do the ironing, sort the recycling, take out the trash, and vacuum. Now, the first sentence says, Josh is clearing the table. There you have, it is written, okay? It is filled in. Josh is clearing the table. Why? You have here clear, but it's an action. So if he's doing it, you have to write ing, like in exercise, like it is in exercise 1. Let's just write it here for you to copy. Not those that have it don't need to copy, but those that don't have the book can copy. Exercise 1 says, Josh is clearing. So instead of writing clear, you have to, it's an action. Clearing the table. He is clearing the table. Remember, in the picture, we had Linda was setting the table. She was putting the plates, knives, the dishes on the table. Okay? So now, what is he going to do? He's going to clear the table. They finished eating, so he's going to clear the table. So Josh is clearing the table. Clearing the table. This is what you have to fill in. Clearing the table. It is filled in already. In exercise 2, let me take it now again. In number 2, we have Alisa. Alisa is washing the dishes. Now I would say wash the dishes. Alisa is washing the dishes. Right in number 2, Alisa is washing the dishes. Remember, you have to put ing. We have out of the action, so we have used this one. We have already cleared the table. We used it already. And sorry. Yes, washing the dishes. I didn't mark it. Let's mark it here. This one goes. And washing the dishes. So, sorry, let me undo this. So she's washing the dishes. Alisa is washing the dishes. Josh clears the table. Alisa is washing the dishes, or she puts it in, she can put it in the dishwasher. Load it in the dishwasher, but she has to wash them first. Wash the dishes. Then we have Nick. Nick. Number 3. Nick is it's right in here. 3. Nick is taking out the trash. Nick is taking out the trash. He takes out the trash, the garbage. Everything they throw away in bags, he takes it out of the house. Trash. So that is in the fill in the line. He's taking out. Notice, since it's an action, we use the verb to be is, and then we change from take. Where is it? Take, you put taking. Take, we write taking out the trash because it's an action. Okay. Let's go with the next one. The next sentence, 4. Ethan is. Ethan is. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3 options. So Ethan is doing the ironing. Doing the ironing. Doing the ironing. Doing the ironing. So you have to see what that means. Doing the ironing. If you don't know what is an iron, you have to look for it. So Ethan is doing the ironing. So this one we already filled it in. Doing, from do, we put ing, doing the ironing. There we have doing the ironing. That's what you fill in. Okay? An action. Next one. Let's write the next sentence. 5, Tyler. Tyler is vacuuming. Tyler is vacuuming. You can say Tyler is vacuuming the living room. A place, what part of the rooms? Because before Nick was vacuuming his room. So we could say that Tyler is vacuuming the living room. So we have this one left out. So what we have left over is sort the recycling. Sorting the recycling. When you have garbage or trash, you have plastic bags, you have things that you have to separate, paper from plastics in the garbage, in your trash. So sort this recycling. You take out the bottles on one side, take out the plastics on another side, and whatever your leftovers of food you put on another side. So he sorts out the recycling. What you can recycle, he separates. So let's, in this case, it would be, let me just put this up because you can't see the exercise here. And let me just pull this up so we can fill in. Linda is sorting the recycling. Linda is sorting the recycling. So that is what we have. Those are the actions each one is doing 1 hour after, okay? These are activities they're doing 1 hour after. That's what it says here. What are the
Teacher, disculpe que me salí, es que la conexión estaba lenta.
Yes, it is slow, don't worry. Doing 1 hour later. This is what people were doing 1 hour later. You do not have it in the pictures, I'm telling you. I'm giving you this information. It's not in the book. No está aquí. I'm giving you the information, okay? So, Josh is clearing the table, Alisa's washing the dishes. This is what you fill in each one. Ethan is doing, Nick is taking out the trash. Ethan is doing the ironing. Tyler is vacuuming the living room, we could say. Oh, great. I moved it. Everything moved. Tyler is vacuuming the living room is what I filled in. I put all this. Let's see if I can pull it over. Okay. And Linda is sorting the recycling. These are household chores. Household chores.